Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we'll be looking at some codes and settings that drain your phone battery. On your dial pad, dial this code. Click on Delete dumpstate/logcat. After that, scroll down and click on Battery Stats Reset. This helps to clear any overload on your battery. Also, go to Settings, Apps, search for Device Care, then go to Storage and clear the cache. This also helps to clean your phone's cache and allows the battery to last longer. Hope this helped you. Please like and subscribe.